new construction, and move-in ready on a fantastic pond lot. This beautiful home is located in the high-demand Northwest Allen County School District in the New Rapids of Copper Creek. Enter through the spacious foyer that leads you to the open floor plan with a great room, nook, and kitchen. The interior finishes are simply gorgeous from the flooring all the way to the countertops. The desirable open concept enlarges the space and creates an inviting ambiance. The kitchen has gorgeous dark cabinets that contrast perfectly with the white marble countertops. Stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar seating are a few highlights to this space. Take your meals directly to the dining nook, or on a nice day, slide out the patio doors and enjoy eating in the fresh air with a view of the pond on your patio. Unwind in the evenings by lounging in the living room and relaxing with your favorite book or movie. The bedrooms are all nice size, and one could even be used as a home office. At the end of the day, retire to the Master Suite, which features a double vanity sink, 5-foot shower, and an adjoining walk-in closet. Schedule your private tour today to see this new home. Contact Jim Owen to learn more.